Sino sinama mo dun?
Mga kaibigan mo dati nandun.
Pare, ako naman mag...
Wow! Thank you for the cake. LV. I know, talaga, galing kayo na to?
Happy birthday, Roy.
Thank you ba?
Happy birthday, patron!
Padrino!
Happy birthday, patron!
Ito, patron junior, ito senior eh.
Happy
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay.
How old are you?
Marilyn Monroe!
Behind the cam is Tommy. Tommy, pare, thanks for being such a great boyfriend to my best friend.
We love you, Tommy.
She always, pare, alam mo, last time birthday ko. She invited all her friends. Wala akong kilala ng isa. But tonight, at sabi ko, sino ba nandyan? So, the usual suspects.
The usual suspect.
So, thanks for everything. And, Cons, my name is Roy.
Ikaw ba may sakit siya? Nag-stay lang yun si Coach para sa For now, since nandito ka na, since hanggang 3 o'clock mag-stay siya. Diba? Hanggang 3 o'clock mag-stay.
Yes.
Ano, attorney? Do you object? It's the birthday. Until 3 o'clock it will stay, okay? Okay, no objection. You concur?
Saan si Steph?
Conquer!
Di ba nag-hintay si Steph dito kanina? Ginagawa mo mong chicks eh. Naghintay ka dito pa.
Chocolate fondue.
Steph, you're gonna be watching this.
I want.
Thank you for coming.
You wanna make it?
And last, thanks for the cake. I really appreciate it. Sarap.
Hindi galing ito, galing sa ex mo.
This is not from Manalo. This is from your ex. Correct.
We just, nung song galing sa amin.
Okay.
Saka nung
Pare, check the schedule, man. There is, yung gusto mo yung World Finals is objective, di ba? World Finals ng Kona.
World Championship. World Finals is jet ski.
Jet ski pala yun. Yung sa akin ng Brad, you escape from Alcatraz.
Pare, this is good quality wine. It's not Hardee's, ha?
Ano yun?
This is Decoy, Duckhorn, ha?
Hindi ko.
Kaya, tama na.
Not Hardee's.
Yung pare, galing sa akin pareho, di ko alam kung magawa ko hindi. Dahil galing sa akin yung inaasar ko.
Nung birthday, nung aking party, nandun siya.
Andun na.
Hindi mo siya nakita.
Oo, andun na po, pare.
Kaya nga, tapos like escape pa, French escape.
Try it lang. There's the science, the beauty. Yung science, pare, first leg, gamitin mo yung puso mo.
Exactly, pare, commitment yun eh.
Tapos, medyo pag hindi na gumagana yung puso mo, yung katawan mo na.
Is it okay if you just...
And then, yung last 10, yung spirit mo na, it's mental, the spirit.
What do you
The
do
will.
to the bike that's dangerous?
I think the dangerous part is the swimming part.
No, it's the bike because you can...
But you learn how to fall.
Fly off.
The swim naman,
Dude, everything's dangerous, even the running is dangerous. You can get run off by a car.
Paano yung swimming part? Ano yung training doon?
Swimming.
Pool.
Oh.
Tapos sa triathlon, open.
pag open water, hindi ka naman malulunod kasi buoyant naman.
Buoyant.
What kind of style can you do?
Dog style.
What style? Freestyle?
Legal yun.
Backstroke.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yan.
Alam mo ba kung paano kami sa training?
Balance living, balance lifestyle.
Lumalabas ako pero not as much anymore because maaga kami natutulog.
Kaya nga eh.
Happy hour na, happy hour.
Kaya nga eh. Feel good and blue.
I'm always gonna go with Would you rather that he spends his time with people that drink or with people that do this kind of sports?
Yeah, ba't ang mahal ng bike?
Ano mo ba kung magkano bike niya? Mahal na bike niyan.
Kaya lang.
Magkano bike niya?
Coach ko.
300,000 bike niya. Dahil nasa Baguio na kami, nasa Bulacan siya pa.
Wala iwanan.
Babalik ka na ulit kami.
Babalik kami ang
Sa next day. Balik ka namin sa next day.
Hindi na iwan yung nang babalik.
Papasundo kita sa driver ko.
Let's see, it's not a sport. It's a bike pa lang.
Malaking bagay. Sige. Sabi ko, nung isang padjak namin,
Sabi niya, si Rinky
Ay,
tsaka Kapuan tsaka Benetton yan.
explain mo na sa kanya pare. Isang padjak namin sa bike, dalawang padjak niya. More.
Yung isang pagka niya, parang lima sa akin. Hindi ko mahabol.
Sing you.
Gusto at feeling.
Challenge.
Ano gusto? Doon ka sa likod o sa harapan?
Parang gusto mo sa likod mo. Susunod ako.
Gusto mo ba sa likod ka ng bus?
Malagyan mo ng pastor yung kayo.
Hindi.
Pare, ito mo sa likod. Tommy nga, bibili ng mahal na bike.
Wine! Ba't naman wala yung wine?
Bon, si Tommy, bibili ng mahal na bike. Ikaw, bibili ka ng pinakamura na bike.
Hindi ako
Eh, may Tommy Niner.
Nasa wala naman. Ako naisip ko lang sila. Cheer na pala.
Thank you. Thank you, Roy, for the magazine.
Gusto mo mag-magazine?
Anya, Victoria says hello.
Lapit na wala na para nakikita nila.
Do it once lang.
Anya, for you.
Once lang.
Alam mo yung ex-husband ko, hindi siya na-trauma.
Ayun,
After 3 years,
Actually, yung bike na ex-husband ko pare.
Paano siya naging
natuto siya kay Emma.
Ang ganda ng buhok mo. Nagpapaliban ka?
Happy birthday, Brad. Kamote. Pag masaya ka, mas masaya ako. Alalahanin mo yan. Isa lang advice ko kay Jarvie eh. Alam mo yon?
Follow your heart.